Hey guys, it's Ankit and today I have with me the Boat Rockers 450, a budget oriented headset which doesn't feel cheap and has a very good battery life. So with that said, let's begin. So this is the Boat Rockers 450. It cost 1399 Indian rupees on Amazon. During sale you can find it for about 1000 rupees only. Keeping the video short, here's what you get inside the box. The headset, a micro USB to USB-A for charging, a 3.5mm audio jack for wired use, and some paperwork from the brand. Now coming to the physical overview, the headset feels very sturdy and well built. You get to see Boat branding both on top of the headset as well as on the ear cups. The whole body is made up of matte black polycarbonate, which gives it a very premium touch, and the silver accents outside the ear cups just enhance its looks further. By the way, this headset is also available in blue and beige color options, which also looks very good. The cushions on the earpiece and on the headphone are soft enough, so no complaints keeping the price in mind. On the right ear cup, you get to see all your media controls and indicators. Volume up, play pause, volume down, USB port for charging, 3.5mm port for aux use, an indicator, and lastly your mic hole. Now let's connect it to the phone. The headset comes with Bluetooth 4.0 and it has instant connectivity so that the next time you turn it on, it will connect instantly. The indicator light will glow in red and blue when in pairing mode. Coming to the controls, you can see the volume up down and play pause buttons only, but these are all multi-purpose buttons. The play pause button serves as the power button and the volume buttons also serves as the previous track and next track buttons. Coming to the sound quality is good for the price. Bass is decent, I will say, nothing extraordinary, but when connected with the aux cable, it gives a really good bass. Clarity and treble are okayish, good for the price. One thing that I must say is this headset is really very loud. I can hear it without even wearing it. It's that much loud. If gaming on phone and PC, I will recommend to use the aux instead of Bluetooth because on Bluetooth it lags slightly. The battery backup of this headset is really good. I will say this is a very good option if you are searching for a Bluetooth headset which will give you more than 12 hours of battery backup at this price. Talking about charging, it takes around 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours to charge completely. I have tested it from 20% to 100%, which takes around 2 hours and 10 minutes. So from 0 to 100 it will take 2.5 hours. Another great thing about this headset is you can fold the ear cups like this and keep it around your neck, or when not in use you can completely fold it and carry it inside your backpack while traveling. To sum it up, I will say this is a good headset in terms of sound, but what I really like about this headset is its battery life. It totally provides you what it claims, that is 15 hours of battery life. I will recommend you to buy it if you are searching for a Bluetooth headset with long battery life at under 1500 rupees. But note one thing, if you want to buy it for gaming, then I will say Bluetooth usage experience will not be very pleasing. It lags slightly, although the cable is there for aux use. Now the choice is yours, links are in the description, and as always, I will be catching you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out.